So this is going to be for your sunroof. So let's open up the shade. So single button press there opens it up halfway. Secondary button press will open it up that full way. I mean, look at that, it just opens things up so nicely. So you've got your basic controls there. So it's a single button press, as I said, for halfway, and then closing it is just a single button press there. But you can also tilt if you wanted to. You can close, tilt, close, and then you can also open and close. So let's open it up. So single button press, it's a little bit of a slower open, but single button press opens it up the full way. Secondary button press opens it up that last little bit. I mean, look at that. Got a little bug guard there as well. Very useful. And from there, single button press should close it full way. Yeah, there we go. So full way close with this, just a single button press there. Love that. And then same idea, so with the shade. So you can just do single button press there in order to be able to fully close the shade. So again, just kind of in a nutshell, what you have to do first is at least open up the shade there, and then you can tilt if you want to, or you fully open or close. So one button press opens it up the majority of the way, secondary button press opens it up the full way, and then it's a single button press to close each of them.